Welcome to Ace Displays channel. Today, we're going to walk through 3 essential tips for designing backlit displays so that your graphics showcase your brand with vibrancy and color accuracy. Whether you're preparing for an event, a trade show, or retail setup, following these tips will help you create stunning designs that are sure to capture your attention. Backlit displays use a special type of fabric designed to be illuminated from within. The fabric is designed specifically to allow light to pass through evenly, giving the graphic a consistent and even glow. The fabric also needs to be flexible and soft enough so that it doesn't easily wrinkle or crease. This level of quality and precision in the fabric ensures that your display looks vibrant and professional. Our fabric is carefully engineered to provide the right balance of properties that are best suited for backlit displays, ensuring that light is evenly dispersed, colors are vibrant, and blemishes are avoided. This ensures that your backlit display looks perfect from every angle. One of the most important things to remember when designing for backlit displays is to be mindful of your color selection. Think about what happens when you try to shine a light through dark colors. Not so much. When you backlight dark colors, particularly solid black, the print tends to appear washed out or faded, not what you want. This is because the backlight is effectively brightening the darker colors, making them appear lighter and less intense than you probably intended. If your design includes a large area of black or very dark shades, we suggest changing your design. Instead of dark shades, opt for brighter, more saturated colors that will maintain their vibrancy when backlit. Colors like bright blues, reds, and yellows tend to really pop on backlit displays, making your display more eye-catching and inviting. These colors also help reinforce your message and brand by making the display stand out in any environment. Remember, the goal is to create a display that draws people in, and color is a powerful tool in doing just that. Next, let's talk about the role of lighting and color accuracy. When designing for backlit displays, it's essential to remember that colors look very different once illuminated. Even though the colors in your print might appear inaccurate during installation, remember that our prints are calibrated to be accurate when backlit. Again, the colors on your print probably won't look correct in natural or artificial front lighting conditions, but have patience. Once the graphic is installed and backlit, then you'll see the printed colors are as they were intended. You know what they say, don't judge a book by its cover. Likewise, don't judge a backlit print until it's fully installed and backlit. If you're unsure about how your design will look when backlit, our displays experts are more than happy to assist you throughout the process. With these 3 essential tips, you're now ready to design backlit displays that are sure to stand out. If you have any questions or need top quality displays for your next event, our display experts are here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more industry insights and tips. Happy designing!